Hey guys, welcome back. This is a girl, Trina. Thank you for vibing with me. What I'm going to share with you guys today is how to make some jerk chicken. You know me, I said? We're going to show you how to make some Jamaican jerk chicken. The real Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay, so I want you guys to make sure you're tuned in and ready to take notes. This is how you make the real Jamaican jerk chicken. Let me know when you try it how it tastes. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to make your Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay? So of course, you're gonna need your chicken. Okay? You're gonna need your soy sauce, your vinegar to use to clean the chicken with. You're gonna need some thyme, salt. Okay? I got some garlic powder as well, which I'm gonna also use some garlic cloves as well. Got some all-purpose seasoning. We got some Caribbean ginger, garlic, Permento seasoning as well. We have some jerk seasoning as well. Okay, we got some pepper and some black pepper. I got lemons to use to clean my chicken with. We got some onions. Okay, I got some nutmeg, put a little bit in there as well. So once I get all of that and I season it up, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. Okay? Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the chicken. Okay? I'm gonna cut the lemon. Okay? Squeeze it in the chicken. Take that raw smell out and the raw taste. I love to use lemon. It's good to me. So what I want you guys to do, you guys can do the same thing at home, and when you guys try it, just comment below and let me know how it tastes and how was it. Okay. I'm a one for no saying, let me tell you something. Yes, me a Jamaican. Yeah. And as for me, been in the state all my life. Okay, but still know how to cook my Jamaican food. You hear me? I still know how to cook my Jamaican food all day long. Trust me. Okay, so you're gonna take your vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in that chicken. Love to clean and wash my chicken with it. Okay. I'm cleaning it, washing it in there, okay? Here. Take my soy sauce, okay? Season it up with some soy sauce. Just a little bit of salt. I don't like to use too much. I use just a little bit because my seasoning that I use, it's always some garlic powder, okay, some all-purpose seasoning, not too much. Got some ginger, garlic, Permento seasoning, Caribbean seasoning. Got me some jerk seasoning, Grace. Not too much. You get yourself some black pepper. These right here is seed pepper. Seed pepper. I don't have the molar Scotch bonnet one, what we use, the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't have that one, but I have this. It's the same thing, alright? It's hot, yeah. So, it's pepper, alright? Red pepper seed. We usually use the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, yeah, but I'm not having it today. Okay, so you can see. Cut up the onion. You hear me? So what I'm gonna do, after I cut it up, because we make jerk chicken. Me cut up my seasoning them. Me wash them. And me blend it. Alright? And that's my homemade seasoning. Okay? That's my homemade seasoning. Alright? That's our onions. Clean them. Wash those off. Okay? Now cut it up because I'm going to blend them. My homemade seasoning. Got a 3 scallion. You guys call it the green onions, okay? But me, because I'm a Jamaican, we call it scallion. Here, a scallion this name, scallion. But we up here in the States, we call it green onion. Alright? I'm gonna slice those up. There's some garlic. Okay, so what I'm doing, this is thyme. Okay, thyme. Yeah. Blend these up too. Yeah, I had to go get me some ginger. I love to cook with ginger. It's good to cook with. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my blender. I'm gonna take my blender, okay? Enough to rinse it out. Take these, seasoning. Okay. Add some ginger. Okay, and then this is a nutmeg. Okay. I have my Maggie. Need some olive oil. Seasoning for my jerk, okay? And I also blend the pepper. You want it to be hot. It's hot. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's hot. I'm gonna take it. What I also would get the jerk marinated sauce, and I use a little bit in there. Then I would also, you could get this at anywhere, Walmart store, wherever you at. This is also a jerk seasoning. I will get it, either mild or hot, and I will open it, and I will use just a little bit in the sauce that I'm making from home, and I mix just a little bit with this in. Guys, so this is a season that I make, okay? Okay, show you guys some seasoning, some homemade jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna use some of it to season up my jerk chicken. So what I'll do, I'll put the rest in a little container and put in the fridge for next time. got it all seasoned up. Okay, got it all seasoned up. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up, chicken up. Okay. I'm gonna cover it up. Okay. And let it marinate overnight. All right. Okay, guys. So where I'm at now, I'm outside. Okay. On my grill, getting it light up. Yeah, got the grill ready, done, ready to go. Okay. Back inside to get my chicken. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. Okay, I'm gonna open the grill so you guys can see how the jerk chicken look. Should be done. Okay, so that's a jerk chicken. Yeah, looking good. Looking good, guys. It's looking good. So that's your jerk chicken. Okay, so that's a Jamaican jerk chicken. Hope you guys like what you see. So you guys could try it at home. Okay. Okay, it's a jerk chicken. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, so that's what you make. I hope you guys like what you guys see. Okay. So that is all you make, some Jamaican jerk chicken. But taste it to go. Okay, guys. So that is your jerk chicken. And I appreciate you guys watching and vibing with me. Okay, appreciate y'all. This is how I make Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay, guys, you guys can try it at home and you guys can let me know how it tastes. Okay, guys, well, you can see jerk chicken and white rice. Okay, guys, jerk chicken, some white rice. Yes, look good. Okay, guys. Okay, so we're gonna dig in. Tender. Ooh, it is so tender. See, guys? Very tender. Okay. Spicy, okay, guys, but it tastes so good. Okay, guys, I gotta take another piece. I'm sorry, y'all, but I gotta eat. It tastes so good. Okay, guys, so what all you guys to do, try it at home, okay? And come up down below and let me know how it comes out and let me know how it tastes. So this is how your girl, Trena, aka Trena, make her jerk chicken. And I'm sharing it with you guys. Yes, me a Jamaican, and I saw me make my chicken all the time. Alright, but thank you for watch and like and subscribe to my videos. I appreciate you guys. Translate. I thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing as well. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, and I just want to say again once more, I thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, and what I want you guys to do is stay tuned for my rest of my videos. All right, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna dig right in. Like I say, it's very tender. Yeah, very tender. Guys, this tastes good. I just have to share it with y'all while I'm eating it. It tastes really good. Spicy. Okay, so you guys don't have to use a lot of spice if you don't want to, but it's me being a Jamaican, I love my spice. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Okay? And I'll see you guys another time. Hope you enjoy. Bye.